Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to Intensive Study. Today we are going to discuss continent Africa. Africa that is also called Dark Continent. This is the second largest continent of the world. On number 1 there is Asia that contains 29% of the world's dry part. Before this, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so we can stay connected. If we talk about Africa, there are most countries in Africa as compared to other continents. If we say what are total number of countries in Africa, there are 54 countries in Africa as Asia has 48 countries. Asia is on number 2 and Africa is on number 1 in terms of countries. Africa is on 20% of the world's dry part as Asia is on 29% of the world's dry part. If we talk about largest or longest country of the Africa, that is Algeria. Algeria remained colony of France. If we say Nigeria, Nigeria is the biggest country of the continent whose capital is Abuja. Nigeria is biggest country of Africa. We say biggest in terms of population and largest in terms of area. Sahara Desert. The biggest desert of the Africa is Sahara and also biggest desert of the world is Sahara that is spread over more than 20 countries of the world. African Union that is Union of African countries whose headquarters in Addis Ababa. Addis Ababa is capital of Ethiopia. Ethiopia is located in Africa. UN Environment Program's headquarters is also located in African country Kenya at the place of Nairobi. OIC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation, who was founded in 1969 in Rabat, Morocco. Its capital in Rabat, Morocco. The largest peak of continent Africa is Mount Kilimanjaro that is located in Tanzania. If we say Pakistan's highest peak, that is K2. Cape of Good Hope is a famous term that is located in South Africa. Cape of Good Hope separates the Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. There is a Muslim country in Africa whose name is Mauritania. It's Islamic Republic country of Africa. There is a country who has rejoined African Union, that is Morocco. Morocco has rejoined African Union after 33 years. Somalian Peninsula. Horn of Africa is known as Somalian Peninsula. We can see on map there are 3 countries that has shape of horn. Those 3 countries are Somalia, Eritrea and Djibouti. If we say what is name of cricket team of South Africa, that is Proteas. Proteas is also flower of Africa. The country within country is Lesotho that is located in South Africa. The question asked about Lesotho is what is the country within a country, that is Lesotho that is located in South Africa. If we talk about Kalahari Desert, it is also located in South Africa. The most part is located in Botswana. The biggest island of Africa is Madagascar. Madagascar is the biggest island of the continent. That's all about today's topic. If you are interested in intensive study, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can watch videos on time. Thank you.